Hey guys, welcome to Buy It, Watch It, where we buy it so you can watch it to help you make the best decisions with your purchases. Okay, about to open this bad boy up right here and see what we have inside. You know, every time I get a box, I just pray that everything is inside, all the pieces are there, so I don't have to send it back. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Okay, we look like we have the cushion right here. Seats. More cushion right there. Let's take it out. See what else is in there. Okay, these are the parts we're going to use to put the first part of it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces with the screws, bolts. And what's that? These screws are the 24. Number 24. And then we go to the number 36. And then we have number 34 for the washers. Alright, let's get this put together. Okay, now we assembled that. So what we did here was put the washer nut, screw it in here with the plate. You see the plate right there? See? Plate on the side. And we did the same thing to the other side. See, now I just got to tighten it up. And one more thing, you just got to slip this piece in right here. But, that just goes in the holes right there on the side. So it's not, we in a rush. That's just like the back support that comes in and out. So we're not in a rush to put that on. That's not major for right now. All right, let's move along to the next portion. Okay, these are the next pieces we're gonna use. These 4 pieces right here. So what I'll do is connect this piece with this piece first. We'll connect these 2 first and then connect the end. Connect this end to over here. Alright, so we'll do that. Let's get on that now. Okay, so right now we're gonna connect this piece, push it in there. This piece will go in on the bottom of it, right under there. See that hole? There's another hole there. That piece will go on the bottom, and you already know this end with this piece, same as we did this side, it'll go right in there, right on there. So let's connect that. Okay, now when that's put together, it'll look like this. Alright, now we'll tighten this up. Move to the next part, which would be this right here. We're connecting with that piece right there. Okay, now we got that part on. And see the plate is right there. Screw that in there. And we got that done. We got that done. Now let's move on to the next portion. Oh wait. Let's just put the bar through there. See the bar? We'll just stick it through there real fast. We can put that there now. Okay, these are the next 4 pieces we're gonna use right here. Let's get that said and done. You know the small pieces already. You know that's going down here. Long piece for your back here. Brackets right there. Let's get it done. Okay, now I got this part on. This cushion now is for this cushion. See, I attached the two rods. Leave the bottom portion loose. Don't put the screws in yet because you have to slip them on there. Once you get it on there, then you push the rods together, then put the screws in and tighten it. All right, let's go. Okay, we got that on. There we go, got that on. Now we move into the bottom portion right here. Let's get it done. Okay, now we have these 7 pieces right here. Let's attach those together. Okay, we put that together. See, put it through those holes, come around and put the pipe through those holes. And now we're gonna attach that to right here, put the screws in, and that should be all set. Okay, we're all set. Look at that. Yep, all done. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys don't need help putting the weights and the ball on. It's like, come on. If you need help with that, you don't even need to be using this weight bench. All right, now, you already know. Hit like, share, subscribe. Come back. See you next time.